Hello everyone, not long ago I released a Figma plugin that can integrate with any ComfyUI workflow. Some friends have provided feedback that the initial integration process is a bit challenging, so I think I will make a few video tutorials to teach everyone how to achieve these integrations. In this episode I will teach you how to utilize idle GPU computing power using a local GPU as an example to demonstrate the entire process. First, let's look at the essential requirements, which I have listed here. Step 1, you need to expose the ComfyUI service to the public internet. Since the DDNS solution has a high technical barrier, I chose the simpler Grok solution. Step 2, use the ComfyUI deploy service I deployed, which can centrally and standardly manage ComfyUI workflows and corresponding GPU resources. Step 3, we also need to install a plugin to interface with the ComfyUI deployment service. Step 4, set up the ComfyUI workflow and deploy it to the production environment for Figma to use. Let's first look at the preparation conditions. I will demonstrate starting ComfyUI using a MacBook as an example, and the process is similar for Windows. Navigate to the ComfyUI folder, right-click here, open the terminal, and enter the command I just mentioned to start ComfyUI. It has successfully started. Let's verify if it is running properly. With the preparations done, we need to expose ComfyUI to the public internet. Open the official Grok website. After logging in, you will see complete instructions. We will follow them step by step. First, install Grok using the terminal. Create a user. Then open the port. Here, we need to change the port to ComfyUI's port. You can then see the public access address. The first time you open it, you need to confirm. Let's try opening it. It is accessible. Let's also test if it works properly. No issues. Next, go to the website I deployed. The address is on the screen. You need to log in. Actually, I did secondary development based on this project, thanks to the author. This project has already received investment from Y4. To be honest, the open source version currently lacks many features and interfaces, and I had to quickly catch up on some of them. OMYC. Currently, the open source version lacks many features and interfaces, and I have supplemented some of them. Returning to our platform, we need to add a machine. Add the Grok address we just obtained here. Then we will proceed with plugin installation and workflow setup deployment. Use the management tool. Search for deploy, which is this plugin. Search within the plugin nodes, and you will see the node for this plugin. First, drag this node in, input the name, and the ID and version are automatically generated, so no need to input them. Drag the output node in as well, making sure to select either PNG or JPG format, then connect the output node properly. Next, come here and first set up the deploy server, select cloud, and input this address, then authorize and log in. This way, it's all set up. Upload the workflow. Here you can see it. Run it. The backend is bustling with activity. Seeing the output proves that the connection is successful. Deploy the workflow, making it available for the Figma plugin. Go to Figma. Oh right, you need to obtain the API first. Return to the deploy server. Get this API key and input it into the Figma plugin. The workflow we just deployed appears here. Click to generate. It's out. Let's continue to see how to add other parameters. Drag in a text node, input the necessary information, and connect it to the positive prompt body. Drag in an n-number node, make the necessary settings, and assign them to the latent width and height respectively. Update the deployment. Return to Figma, click to refresh the workflow. The parameters we just set up appear here. Do a simple test. The young lady appears, and here comes a cute cat. No problem with that either. For more tutorials, you can visit the plugin's help documentation. There are also workflow examples for everyone to refer to. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Thanks for watching.